In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate your project in Canva. Duplicating is perfect when you want to try a fresh idea without risking your original design, create variations for different platforms, or simply keep a clean backup before making big edits. The best part is that the process is quick, consistent, and keeps all your elements intact. Start by opening the project you want to duplicate. Make sure you're in the main editor view so you can see the full toolbar. Once your project is open, look to the top left of the Canva editor and click Files. This is the menu that holds document-level options, and it's where Canva keeps the command we need. From the Files dropdown, click Make a Copy. That's the exact option that tells Canva to create a duplicate of your current project with everything preserved. After you click, Canva will work in the background for a moment. You don't need to do anything else here. Just wait while it finishes. The time this takes depends on your connection and the size of your design, especially if it has many pages, high-resolution images, or animations. When the copy is ready, Canva will produce a new version of your project that includes all pages, elements, fonts, colors, and settings from the original. In many cases, Canva either opens the duplicate right away in the editor or places it in your project list with a name that indicates it's a copy. If it doesn't appear instantly, give it a moment. That delay is normal on larger files. This simple workflow is helpful because it preserves your original design as a reference point. You can confidently explore new layouts, test different color palettes, or adapt content for another audience without overwriting your previous work. It also makes collaboration easier. If you're working with teammates, having a clean copy helps you compare iterations side by side and choose the strongest version later. A quick reminder on organization. Once you're working in the duplicate, pay attention to which tab you're editing so you don't accidentally make changes in the original. The document name is a good indicator that you're in the right place, and that's all there is to it. Open your project, click Files in the top left, choose Make a Copy, and wait for Canva to create the duplicate. You now have a safe, identical version ready for experimentation or backup without any extra setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating confidently with duplicates in Canva.